Hi darling parents, here is Naren from Wow Parenting, and here we are going to have a series of videos with small insights on how can you help your children to prepare brilliantly well for their exams. I'm going to take you through some very beautiful ideas and one or two naughty ideas also. See if you can catch them and implement them. Here comes one. Can you help your children to prepare for exams the way you help them to prepare for a festival? You know, I stay in Pune and here we have Ganpati in a very big way, and I've seen how much parents help the children to prepare for Ganpati. They will be motivating them, they will be making sure that the children are in the right frame of mind, they will ensure children are well dressed, they will ensure the whole house is filled with positivity. Can we do the same for exams? Unfortunately, in many houses, exam means the whole atmosphere becomes very serious, very somber. It looks like, oh my God, something wrong might happen. Change it. Create the atmosphere in your child like a festival during exams, and your child will do well in their exams. Wish you all the best and love you so much.